I welcome here Dr. MSN Nitya with me. She is a great scholar and has been associated in DAM's classroom. Welcome, Dr. MSN Nitya here.
Thanks a lot.
And just to mention about her achievements, she has scored rank 43 in AIPG 2014 and rank 2 in Maharashtra CET. That is incredible. Many congratulations to you.
Thanks a lot again.
And just to mention here, she comes from Topiwala National Medical College and Nayar Hospital, Mumbai. So, Dr. Nitya, how do you feel?
It feels great. It feels amazing because these are things which happen only in dreams, and these are the times when we feel dreams do come true.
That's wonderful, and I wish the same for you in your entire life. Dr. Nitya, just tell me something. You would like to give this credit to whom?
Definitely my parents, my entire family, because they supported me through all the ups and downs that we go through this year. A great set of friends who were there with me to discuss each and every tiny silly point. And of course, the DAMS faculty, each and every member of the DAMS group, they were all there throughout.
Great. May I ask you that what subjects to concentrate upon, when you're preparing for a tough exam like PGME?
Yeah, see, I basically concentrated on the first year and the second year subjects and PSM because those are the subjects which will get you up to a good rank. And the rest of the subjects will help you to differentiate between a good and a very good rank. But you need to have your basics right.
So what you're trying to say here is that you need to be more focused on subject-wise,
Yes,
right, to
definitely.
get the desired rank.
Definitely. Especially subjects like anatomy, because those are things which we tend to forget. So if the volatile things you tend to have to make a note of them, okay, they will be very, very helpful later. Pharmacology, make mnemonics, so as to say PSM, revise the dates.
That's great. Now, can you tell us something about your time in DAMS?
I've had a great journey and time in DAMS because it's helped me focus. We are no longer aimless. We know what to do and how much to do and how to do.
Can you be more, elaborate on how did it help you, after you have joined the classroom course in DAMS?
See, the notes are fantastic because in exams we kind of see the lines exactly जो हमारे notes में थे in the exams. Okay, and जो हमारी discussions होती थी club पे वगैरह उससे काफ़ी controversy solve हो जाती थी. So in that way exam में we weren't confused कि यार ये mark करना है वो mark करना है. We knew ये आया तो यही mark करना है.
Alright. So apart from the classroom coaching regime, any particular thing that has helped you?
Of course, their books, the Last Look series were great. Their DVT sessions, which had so many MCQs, direct lines. मतलब हमें भागना नहीं पड़ता था यार 10 books घूमो. We had it all in that single book. And of course, the DAMS Facebook club. जहाँ पे the faculty is हमेशा active. 24/7 they answer our queries.
So that helped you a lot.
Yeah, definitely. Even the updates that they give, okay, topic wise updates वगैरह हम कहाँ टेक्स्ट बुक कहाँ से ढूंढेंगे, so they give it to you on a platter.
That's really wonderful to know. Well, now that you have mentioned about the study material and all, may I ask you any particular books did you refer while you were preparing?
The subject wise books I concentrated on mainly and I revised them as well. Then some of the DAMS printed material like microbiology, physiology helped me a lot. And of course the DAMS notes are a must do. There's no excuse.
Okay, that's great. Dr. Nitya, every student has got his own style of studying. What pattern of study do you propose, for preparation of tough exams like postgraduate medical entrance?
See, I preferred a retrospective study. Okay.
Kindly elaborate on that.
Yeah. As in, we go through the MCQs first and then go back to the theory part. As in, जो explanations देते हैं वो तो है ही. Then apart from that, जो topics है, if you can, it will be great if you can see a reference book for it slightly. For especially subjects like medicine, okay, if you go back to Harrison, you tend to see आजू-बाजू का things which can give you an edge. वैसे. And I would do half the course before my class, okay, and half of it later. Okay, so that way before the class, I knew what is happening during the class, and after the class, it will help me get my concepts strong.
So you were not totally at sea while the classes were held.
Exactly.
That's a wonderful way of preparing, and that really have worked wonders for you.
Yeah, thanks.
Well, let me ask you here, Dr. Nitya, what difference did you notice in yourself, before and after joining the DAMS classroom course?
As I said earlier, I got more focused and I knew that this could happen. पहले पीजी एग्जाम के नाम से ही डर लगता था उसके, लेकिन डैम्स ज्वाइन होने के बाद ऐसे था कि वी weren't alone. We had a support system with us apart from just family and friends.
That's great. Well, just tell me something about that. Your interaction with the faculty, and how was that, and how did it help you actually while you were preparing?
Okay, they are great. They're just very friendly, helpful all the time. They'll answer even the silliest of doubts and even the most difficult questions. So they're all great.
So, in nutshell, you can say they are the most versatile faculty you ever come across.
Yeah, versatile and literally the best in their field. And they would give the best possible references to us. So हमें तो कुछ doubt ही नहीं रहता था उसके बाद.
That's really nice to know. And one last thing I would like to ask you here: do you have or do you propose any perfect mix to crack exams like All India PG and other postgraduate medical entrance exams?
See, one, hard work, revision, okay. You like something like a DAMS class does wonders for you, and also try and discuss something with your friends. Have a close knit of friends because when you discuss, you tend to remember things much better. That's what I've found. And अभी technology इतनी बड़ी हुई है कि you can have groups on WhatsApps, ठीक है, screenshot ले लिया, कुछ अच्छा दिख गया तो, so that it helps you in revision. This is the things which I did apart from just the usual studies.
So, do you think that DAMS was technologically sound enough, to
Yes.
help you in your knowledge endeavors?
Definitely. नेट पे थे डैम्स का डिफरेंट, हमें मतलब एग्जाम्स के लिए अलग से एप्लीकेशन था एंड्रॉइड पे. देयर वाज एवरीथिंग व्हिच वाज अवेलेबल देयर.
So that has helped you a lot.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah,
very much. We are
definitely.
really, happy to know that. Any suggestions from your side for the time management while you're preparing?
See, everyone has a different approach, but what I did was my first read used to be a little extensive, okay, and I would try and understand the things completely, not just कि यार पढ़ने के लिए पढ़ लिया चलो ख़त्म कर दिया, ठीक है. So my first read took up to like September तक. उसके बाद, but in the rest of the times, I did 2 revisions. The second revision of nearly the whole portion, okay, and the third of उसमें भी और important चीज़ है. And immediately just before the exam, like say 1 week to 10 days before the exam, make sure कि सब तुम्हारी नज़र से एक बार जाए, क्योंकि that helps you to recollect. So तुम्हारी last look हो गई उसके लिए, या तो make separate notes, छोटी छोटी सी volatile things which you tend to forget, that helps a lot.
These have been valuable inputs for us, and
Thank you.
That's very nice. And now let me ask you, what branch do you wish to specialize in?
I wish to specialize in dermatology.
Dermatology. Well, was that your dream or that?
Yes.
Okay. That's
I think ever since I was in class 7, if anyone would have asked me, I wanted to be a skin specialist.
great. Any tips for the for your juniors, for the aspiring medicals who are preparing for PGME?
Yeah, hard work, revision, but at the same time have faith and patience because things take a while. But when you reach that point, it's worth the wait.
Any recommendations you would like to make here?
Yeah, definitely join DAMS. Okay, have a good set of friends with whom you are loyal to and you can discuss things with and revise well.
So they can depend on DAMS, for their dreams.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you very much, Dr. M.S. Nitya here. I wish you all the best in life.
Thank
and do good in whatever field you want to go. And all the best once again. God bless
Thanks a lot.
Yes.